This is Scott Taylor, and today I want to talk about how you can use a snipping tool to create short videos without having to do any complicated video editing. And I have a little demo I'm going to give you today. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Now today I'm going to want to snip out a bit of a video out of this particular video that I have from an interview with Marcel Sturbitz with Brian Thomas on July 22nd. I've already figured out that I want to start the recording at 3:29, which I can simply set this to 3:29. And then what I want to record until I get to 5:03. Now I have this tool right here that is called EaseUS RecExperts. And you can go to their website. You can download this for free. You can use it. I think there's a limit on how long the free version will allow you to record. But if you want an unlimited screen capture, you can pay a nominal fee for that tool. Let me show you how it works real quick. You simply hit this record button and you select some options. We'll just take the defaults. We'll just hit the continue button. It says 3, 2, 1, cancel, and it simply starts recording. It'll put this bar at the bottom to allow you to stop it. You simply stop it, and then you can play it back. And that's essentially how the tool works. You can go to a directory to find recordings that you've recorded. You can play different ones. It's pretty simple, user-friendly tool. And that's the one we're going to be using for this demo today. You can go back to the recorder. So now that you know that that button really starts the recording, we really don't want this box on the screen. I'm going to move it to the other screen so I can hit the record button. Let's go back to the video we wish to record. I'm going to maximize this. Now, so you see we have on 3:29. We want to record till 5:03. I'm going to hit the record button. I'm going to wait till it actually starts recording before I start the video. Let's go get started.
And I have an understanding of the system like nobody else in this race right now.
Well, that's all wonderful by way of background. One of the areas that I always hear about, and it sounds so, conspiracy theory, electronic voting, and everyone's raising the specter of what's going on.
We're really going to protect that and give people assuredness and confidence, which they deserve. That's why I'm advocating to go back from a marking device to pre-printed hand markable paper ballots. They are unhackable. They're the most transparent. They cost about a tenth. And Ohio's already doing it in some counties. I think we need to be a leading state and go back to that.
And I have no argument with that conceptually. What are the counterpoints to that? Why wouldn't we do that if we can, in fact?
That's how we clip the video. Let's go take a look at what it looks like. Let's go back to the tool. Now we can go and take a look at the file system where this video is stored. You can see it's right here. I'm going to go ahead and rename this file to verbiage clip. I guess because it's open, we can't change it. Let me go back. So now I should be able to change it. So now here's our clip. Let's play it.
And I have an understanding of infrastructure. It's been growing ability to meet. They are unhackable. They can go back to
it.
Now let's go publish this on YouTube. We go to, just go to YouTube. We just hit this create button, upload video. And we need to select our video that we want to upload. And let's see, go here, click our clip. Need to grab a location where this is. If it's clip. Want to give it a title, I'll disturb it on why we should go back to hand mark paper ballots. And then we'll say next. Click it's not for kids. And say next, next, make this public. Then we can click on this to see it.
And I've been outstanding with the system like nobody else in this race room.
Well,
Check it
that's a
out.
wonderful way of background. One of the areas that I always hear about, and it sounds so, conspiracy theory.
And we're done.
Electronic voting.